I'll give you an idea about what those 14 videos are. For instance, there are 14 videos after this. And in that, I'm going to tell you what are the different uses of do and does. In fact, there'll be 14 different ways of using do and does. The question is, why do I need to know all these very different ways? Okay, I'll put it this way. Hi there, welcome back to TLW. My name is Manu and I make videos on English language on how to improve your communication skills. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button and you get all those videos one by one right into your inbox the moment we release it. Right. Now what I'm going to do is today I'm going to release a series of videos from today, 14 of them in fact, telling you how to use the do verb. Why do? Lots of people have written to me saying that they don't know what is a do verb, they don't know do and does, what's the difference between do and does. So I decided, all right, now let's give you everything on do and does. I've given you 14 different videos on 14 different uses of do and does. The first video, and we know about that anyway, is on auxiliaries, do as an auxiliary verb. What it means is, okay, auxiliary means helping verb, right? Like auxiliary engines, etc., helping engine. So that is used to, for instance, ask questions. Do you play cricket? Do you play cricket? So in question, you use the do verb. And I don't play soccer. I don't like volleyball. So again, in negative sentences, I use don't. This is as an auxiliary verb. We've got all these details covered in another videos, the be verb and do verb. I think it's there up over here on the I button, or maybe the link is given down below in the description. Check that out. You'll get all the details in that. In that, you talk about the be verb as a state of being and do verb as an action word for actions. So, and we have all the details in that. Now, here, we just talked about the auxiliary verb. That's going to be the first video. Then you have certain other uses like, okay, a very macabre, deathly use of do, kill. They did him in. Introducing a new product will do our business in. That marketing strategy will do that product in. Do in something or somebody. You can also use do for, like saying that it's, okay, like you talk about drugs. He does drugs. She doesn't do drugs, but she does alcohol. You can also use things like, okay, it's a pretty unusual usage. You aren't even ask somebody to get out, get lost. You say, do one. Do one, bro. Do one. I don't want to see you here. Why am I still seeing you here? Do one. So these are the different uses. There are lots of other uses as well. There are 14 of them. Watch out for those videos. We'll be coming to you soon with that, one by one. 14 videos. Maybe we'll release them, I don't know, every day, every second day, every third day. See how quickly we were able to do it. If you like them, hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to us already, do subscribe to us and tell us what you want, what other videos you'd like to have us make, what are the subjects you want us to cover. And we'll be there with you. Let's rock!